Have you ever felt an unexplainable sense of peace standing in a forest, or a deep calm wash over you near an ancient spring? Around the world, hidden far from the noise of modern life, lie sacred healing places, powerful spots where Earth itself seems to breathe life back into us. These are not just travel destinations. They are sanctuaries where nature, energy, and spirit come together to heal, transform, and awaken the soul. Welcome to Mindful Wanderer, nature, travel, and meditation, where today we embark on a journey to uncover the Earth's most sacred healing places, mystical sites that hold secrets of inner peace, rejuvenation, and timeless wisdom. Nestled in the heart of the Arizona desert lies Sedona, one of the most powerful energy vortexes on Earth. Its crimson rock formations are not only visually stunning, they are believed to radiate powerful electromagnetic energy that balances body and mind. For centuries, indigenous tribes regarded Sedona as sacred ground, a bridge between the physical and spiritual worlds. Visitors often report deep emotional healing, spiritual awakenings, and even visions during meditation here. Hike to Cathedral Rock or Bell Rock at sunrise, breathe in the desert air, and you might just feel the planet's heartbeat pulsing beneath your feet. Sedona isn't just a destination. It's a living energy field inviting you to release, heal, and grow. High in the Andes Mountains of Peru floats the lost city of Machu Picchu, built by the Inca over 500 years ago. This mystical site was more than an architectural wonder. It was a sacred sanctuary dedicated to the sun, stars, and nature itself. Even today, travelers feel a deep spiritual shift just standing among these stones, as if the wisdom of an ancient civilization still lingers in the mountain air. The high altitude and pristine air cleanse your lungs and mind, while the majestic Urubamba River flowing below is said to carry away emotional blockages. Many say Machu Picchu realigns their inner compass, helping them reconnect with purpose, gratitude, and the cycles of nature. For Hindus, Buddhists, Jains, and Bon practitioners, Mount Kailash is the most sacred mountain on Earth. Known as the Axis Mundi, the center of the universe, this isolated peak in Tibet is said to radiate powerful spiritual energy. No one has ever climbed its summit, not out of fear, but out of reverence. Instead, thousands of pilgrims each year walk the 32-mile path around the mountain, a ritual believed to cleanse negative karma and heal the soul. Even those who simply stand in its presence describe a deep, humbling stillness, as though time itself pauses in reverence. In the shadow of Kailash, many find the strength to let go of old wounds and embrace a new chapter of inner peace. The rolling hills of Glastonbury in southwest England are steeped in legend and healing energy. Some believe it is the Earth's heart chakra, a place where spiritual energy flows more freely than anywhere else. The Chalice Well, a sacred spring flowing for over 2,000 years, is said to hold healing powers. Many drink from it or bathe their hands, believing its iron-rich waters restore vitality and balance. The iconic Glastonbury Tor, rising from the mist, has been a site of pagan and Christian worship for centuries. It's a place where myth and mysticism merge, and where countless visitors report feeling a profound connection to the universe and to themselves. In the quiet town of Lourdes, nestled in the French Pyrenees, lies one of the world's most famous healing springs. In 1858, a young girl named Bernadette Subarus reported visions of the Virgin Mary here, and from that moment, the spring's waters were said to carry miraculous healing powers. Since then, millions have visited Lourdes, bathing in or drinking the water in hopes of physical and spiritual healing. Medical cases deemed inexplicable continue to emerge, adding to the mystery. Whether miracle or science, Lourdes reminds us that faith, nature, and water, life's purest element, can combine to create profound transformation. Rising from the heart of Australia's Red Desert, Uluru, also known as Ayers Rock, is a sacred monolith, deeply revered by the Anangu people. It is said to be alive with ancestral spirits and pulsing with Earth's vital energy. For tens of thousands of years, Indigenous Australians have performed ceremonies here, believing Uluru connects the physical world with the dream time, the timeless spiritual realm of creation. Standing at its base, especially at sunrise or sunset, you feel the earth breathing, ancient stories etched into the rock, timeless wisdom whispering in the wind. Uluru invites you not just to visit, but to listen. Straddling the border of Bolivia and Peru, Lake Titicaca is the highest navigable lake in the world and a sacred site for the Inca civilization. According to legend, it is where the sun god sent his children to Earth to bring wisdom and civilization. Today, its still waters are believed to hold powerful cleansing energy, and many visitors come here for spiritual retreats and healing ceremonies. The air here feels thinner, purer, as though it carries messages from the heavens. Meditation by the water's edge or on its floating islands is said to awaken intuition, deepen inner peace, and dissolve emotional burdens. Our planet is far more than just rock, water, and sky. It is alive, pulsing with wisdom, memory, and healing energy. These sacred places are not just points on a map. They are reminders that Earth itself is the ultimate healer. If you ever feel lost, tired, or disconnected, nature is waiting to welcome you home, to restore your balance and remind you of who you truly are. Thank you for journeying with us through the Earth's sacred healing places. If this touched your soul, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And remember, the path to healing is not always far away. Sometimes it's right beneath your feet.